Hey guys, it's Sarah here from Edgecumbe Art. Welcome to my studio. Sorry it's such a mess today, and also sorry that I sound so sick. I am homesick today, and I probably need to be homesick like this. No one needs a nurse sounding like this at the hospital. I really just don't need that at all at the moment. So welcome. For those of you that are new, I do a lot of designs, print-on-demand designs, and teaching you how to do those, and also for like fabric design. So I do a lot of seamless patterns and things. So using free software to create seamless patterns and print-on-demand designs for print-on-demand products and things like that. So welcome. Anyway, I'm sorry I'm sick, but it was just so exciting that Redbubble has put out a new product, and I wanted to share it with you, show you how to go in and edit your products to be able to sell these new products, and also give you some tips and tricks and why you're probably going to want to do this early. Early bird catches the worm and all of that. So let's get into it, and I'll show you very quickly how we're going to go and activate these new hats. Okay, so here we are in Redbubble, and this first design here is going to show you, it's just a very quick seamless pattern design of ink splice. It's going to show you exactly why you are probably not going to want to do this on a seamless pattern, or something that is a sort of a full panel. You're going to want like something that's like an icon, a logo, a one line or two lines of words, because it's quite a small area and you don't want to be cramming stuff into there. So t-shirt panels and things are really not going to fit on there, because you're only going to end up with a small space in the middle that a t-shirt panel is going to fit, and the words are going to be too small and it's just going to look rubbish. And I think so too with things like this I designed for more like things like back of cases and pillows, and it's a seamless pattern, so it works best on those sorts of things. They never really work amazingly on t-shirts. They work better on those kinds of designs. So that was, I've just put up there just to show you the actual size of the panel that you get to work on. So if you just go into your normal design and just hit edit, and it will come up straight away with this new product. However, it will be disabled. So to get that sorted, obviously you have to enable it on the design, and you're going to want to go into edit, and you can change the color of the hat. And it's a baseball cap and a dad hat there, and just hit apply changes and you are good to go. And then you pop back down and do your usual. I have the rights to sell this, I created that myself, and you hit your save work. And then it's going to, you can go into download the images. Hang on, I'll show you. But I'm sure if you have Redbubble, you're probably quite well aware of how to do that. But let's just wait for that to finish processing. Got a lot going on in the background on my computer, and it's taking forever today. Oh my gosh, it just wants to make me talk a little bit more, obviously. So here we go. So it comes up and you'll see the products here, and you can go into your triple dots and download the images for the hat. One thing I don't like is that in the mock-up you don't actually get to see the color, the background color of the hat. It only shows it on a white background, which is really annoying if you want a black hat and you've got white text. You actually can't see what it looks like very well, which is kind of annoying. And then you can download those images there. So here's one that I'm showing you, so like a t-shirt panel. Like this almost kind of just works, but it would be a lot more stand out a lot better if the text was just hip hop and the stars. And in fact, I might go back in and change a few of those as well. So things that you're going to want to put on the hat are things that are so like straight across the top t-shirt design. So things like that are going to work really a lot better than t-shirt panels or seamless designs. It's really nice and easy. My suggestion for you all is to actually go in and edit all of your designs that are going to work really well on hats. I've done quite a few this morning, and it hasn't taken very long. So pick some of your best-selling stuff and just go in and re-enable. Don't create new designs for it, just for the start off with, but go in and edit your designs and just add in the hat function to those products. Because why? Well, most people who are on Redbubble you know, have their stores, and they've done a lot of designs, and now they're just getting passive income from it, and they've kind of a little bit forgotten about it. So it's only going to be people who are active and know about the hats, know that they're coming, who have gone in and have changed their designs to be suitable for hats and activated them. They're not automatically activated. So it's only going to be, you know, you and me and whoever else has gone and found these hats, which I know is quite a lot of people, but it's just dramatically going to reduce the number of designs that are going to be available in this new feature when it launches. We don't quite know when it's going to launch, but we know it must be relatively soon, considering you know, the product activation is you know, able in Redbubble for the moment. So when it launches, probably might have by the time you have already done this, but go in and change your designs, even if they have already launched by this point, because all those other people have who've stopped, you know, actively working in their Redbubble accounts. If anyone's looking for a hat, you know, the new product, then the designs that are active are going to be the ones that are going to come up at the top of the search results, which means you're going to get more sales, or you're going to be seen more. So you're going to get more likes, more engagement, more people coming to your store, more people seeing your designs, which is obviously what you want. Anyway, so that's just a really quick little you know, overview of the new product over on Redbubble. And I'm very sorry I'm sick, and I'm going to cut it there because my voice is really cutting out, but I just thought it was really important to do a quick little video showing you how to quickly go in and edit your current designs to put it in for hats. I'm sure you guys probably know how to edit your designs anyway, but the fact that it is there, so you can actually get that done so it's ready to go. And then also just a couple of those little tips and tricks for, you know, what you're going to need, what kind of a shape design is going to work best. So things that don't have a background or, you know, aren't like a seamless pattern, although if you've got a seamless pattern that would work well with, you know, like the black hat or the white hat, that might be okay. But if someone tried to put it on another color hat, it really wouldn't work. And you're looking for, you know, horizontal text that's, you know, in that kind of a rectangle shape, not looking for big square panels, and not looking for stuff that has a lot of detail in it. You're looking for a few words, maybe a small picture, something that is obviously going to be really suitable and on that small kind of area of a hat, because you've only really got, like, I'm not quite sure exactly of the measurements, but you're probably only looking at about 5 centimeters, you know, depth of you know, room there to work with. So you can't have lots of stuff in there. It's just not going to look any good. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys can all go through and reactivate all your hats and get some money. Thanks guys, bye.